Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about the integration of WhatsApp, SMS, call and all those things and how easily you can do it on your own. So let's dive in. First of all, you'll go to the right top where you will see the user ID. Once you click on the user ID, this drop down will drop where you can see settings. So once you click on settings, you will see communication configuration. So here you can see email credential, SMS credential, telephonic call credential and WhatsApp credential. So basically these are the details that you will get when you get an API or when you take a subscription of the API, or you can use a free API. That completely depends upon you. So you will as soon as you take the subscription or so, you will get the details, all the like email address that you have to put here, the password, the host, port number and all those things. You can simply put it here and click on save. So once you click on save, then it will automatically be saved and the integration will be completed. So basically it's that easy and you can very easily do it. Like here I have submitted and it's saved, so you can do it. I mean that simply. It doesn't require any technical knowledge. So you just have to get the API subscription and you can put the details. So same for SMS credential also. Here you have to put the base URL, content key, mobile and number key and all those things. Then if we go back, then you can see telephonic call credentials. You have to put the base URL, agent mobile number key, then receiver mobile number key and all those things. Then WhatsApp credentials, you can put the username, password and all those things. So you'll get all those things if you get the subscription of the API. If it's free or not, that completely depends upon you, whichever you would like to take. So that's it for the integration part. And if there is any confusion, do let us know in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching.